So the best first search, which is another word for a branch and bound. So what is the best first search? It's just a combination between the depth first search and the breadth first search. So let's see here, for example, we have this. We have A that leads to B and C and D. So we will check what value has the least number, the smallest number. So D has the smallest number, which is 1. So we'll expand D. Now, since we expanded D, we're not going to look at D, we're going to look at C, B, E, and F, the values of these. So which one has the least value? B has the least value, which is 3. So we will expand B. So B will be expanded. We will have G, H, C, E, and F. So which one has the least value? We can see that E has the least value, which is 4. So E will be expanded, and so on. So here we have two lists. We have the first list, what is called open list, and the second one that's called a closed list. The open list, it contains state that has not been tested yet. It might be the goal or not. The closed list, it contains the state that already been tested. So we sort the list with the value. Let's say here, what will happen if we generate a child that is already in the open list? So let's see this example, for example. We have A, we have B, A has B, C, D as children. So which one will be expanded here? If we look at this only, B will be expanded because it has the smallest number. So B generated E, F, D. So B generated D, which is already here, right? So in the closed list, we had A, okay, because we just expanded its children, so we moved it to the closed list. And the open list, we have B, C, D. We saw that B has the smallest number, so we expanded it and we moved it to the closed list, as we can see here. And we had its children. So what will we do? We will choose the one that reaches by the shortest path. So let's say, for example, here we have AD is shorter path than ABD. But what will happen if we generated a child that is already in the closed list? For example, here, let's say we have A has B, C, D as children. So which one will we choose? We choose the lowest number, which is B. So we will generate the children of B. So now B is in what? In the closed list, right? So B will have E, F, D. E has 18, F has 19, D has 22, C has 20, and D has 17. So the best one out of all of them is D now. So D will expand its children. We have K and B. So B is in the closed list because we already expanded its children. But D generated a new node that is already in the closed list, which is B. It has 14, the value 14, and B here has the value 15. So what will we do? We will look if the state that is newly generated here, if this new generated node that is already the same one in the closed list, if it has worse value than the one in the closed list, we will just ignore it. But if it has a better value, we will take it out from the closed list, we will move it to the open list, and then we will have this value as the new value for it. Of course, it has to either be in the open list or the closed list. It cannot be in both.